DJI Avata 360 is 2026 FCC approved and is the direct answer to the Insta360 A1. It's coming in mid-February, bringing the heat to the FPV world by blending unlimited spherical capture with the high-speed agility we've come to expect from the Avata line. This move by DJI is a total game-changer, especially because they've managed to hit a price point that almost seems too good to be true. Having secured its FCC certification, IDSS 3-DVN3NT, in late 2025, the Avata 360 is officially ready to dominate the US market, offering a level of high-end tech that was previously reserved for professional cinema rigs, but now packaged for the everyday creator. The community has long waited for a device that bridges the gap between the chaotic fun of a cinehoop and the precision of a professional 360-degree camera, and with this mid-February launch, that wait is finally over. One of the most shocking revelations about the Avata 360 is its accessibility. In an era where tech prices are constantly climbing, DJI has managed to deliver a flagship configuration at an entry-level price point that is going to make the competition sweat. The unit alone is starting at an incredible $489, while the full bundle, which includes the latest goggles and specialized controllers, is priced at a remarkably competitive $680. When you consider the technology packed inside, this pricing strategy is clearly a predatory move designed to make 360-degree FPV flying the new standard for content creators across the globe. By positioning the price below $500 for the standalone unit, DJI is inviting a whole new generation of pilots into the fold. This isn't just about selling a drone, it's about democratizing a perspective that was once locked behind high-budget custom builds. At $680 for the bundle, the Avata 360 undercuts almost every other high-performance FPV kit on the market, proving that you don't need to spend thousands to get 8K panoramic capabilities. This aggressive pricing model ensures that the 360 flight experience moves from a niche luxury to a mainstream essential, effectively putting the pressure on competitors like Insta360 to justify their higher price tags. The primary selling point of this drone, and the reason it is causing such a stir in the industry, is its ultra-high-definition image quality. The Avata 360 is equipped with dual 1-inch sensors, a massive physical upgrade from the smaller sensors we see in traditional action drones. This hardware choice is the foundation for its 8K/60 FPS panoramic image quality. This isn't just about high numbers on a spec sheet. It is about the actual physics of light. Larger sensors mean better performance in low light, richer colors, and significantly more dynamic range. Recording in 8K at 60 frames per second allows pilots to capture fast-moving action with incredible smoothness while maintaining enough resolution to zoom in on any part of the 360-degree sphere. In post-production, this becomes the ultimate creative freedom. You can record a single flight and extract multiple 4K videos from it. One looking forward at the path, one looking backward at the pilot, and one looking straight down at the scenery. Because the base resolution is 8K, these cropped, flat videos still look incredibly crisp. This shoot-first, point-later workflow is the future of cinematography. And with 60 frames per second, those reframed shots can even be slowed down for epic cinematic moments without any stuttering. To handle the massive data stream generated by an 8K 360-degree feed, DJI has equipped the drone with its flagship O4 Plus image transmission system. This is not just a minor tweak to the previous O4 system. It is a refined protocol designed specifically for high-bandwidth spherical media. In the world of FPV, the transmission is your lifeline. Any lag, signal drop, or pixelation can result in a catastrophic crash. The O4 Plus system provides a rock-solid, ultra-low latency connection that gives the pilot a crystal-clear 1080p/120 frames per second live view inside the goggles. The stability of the O4 Plus is what gives pilots the confidence to push their creative limits. Whether you are flying behind thick concrete walls in an urban bando or exploring the far reaches of a mountain range up to 20 kilometers away, the transmission ensures that what you see is happening in real time. This level of reliability is critical when you are maneuvering a dual-lens system through tight spaces. The O4 Plus system also features improved anti-interference technology, which is a major win for those flying in crowded city environments where Wi-Fi and cell signals often wreak havoc on drone connections. While the camera technology gets the headlines, the safety features are what make the Avata 360 a truly universal tool. DJI has prioritized beginner protection by integrating omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. This secondary selling point is what makes the drone accessible to those who have never touched a controller before. With sensors covering every angle, front, back, left, right, up, and down, the drone essentially lives inside a virtual safety bubble. If it detects a branch or a wall that the pilot missed, it can automatically hover or reroute to prevent a collision. Complementing this electronic safety is the physical design, the integrated propeller protection. The Sinuhoop style ducts are a hallmark of the Avata series, but they have been refined here to be more aerodynamic and quieter. These guards don't just protect the propellers from snapping, they allow the drone to bump and go. If you tap a wall while trying to get that perfect indoor shot, the drone simply bounces off and remains stable in the air. This combination of software-based obstacle avoidance and hardware-based prop guards makes the Avata 360 the safest FPV drone ever built, removing the fear of crashing that often prevents people from trying FPV. Versatility is a core pillar of the Avata 360's design. The drone supports a specialized dual-lens mode that opens up entirely new ways to play and create. This system allows users to switch seamlessly between 360-degree panoramic shooting and traditional single-lens shooting. This is more than just a software toggle. It allows the drone to act as two different types of cameras. In panoramic mode, you capture the entire world, perfect for VR content or tiny planet perspectives that look like something out of a dream.